Welcome to another episode of Star Mountain Outdoors and Bushcraft. I'm John, and we're walking by a small group of deer. Looks like a buck and a couple does. And enjoying the evening here at Jack's Creek Campground on the edge of the Pecos Wilderness, northern New Mexico. Okay, here is a look at our menu items for the trip. It's going to be a 7 or 8 day backpacking trip, and I want to pack about 10 days worth of food just in case. So to start off, the simple things, we've got Mountain House. This is for Nathan. He wanted beef stroganoff and beef stew, and I wanted lasagna and chili mac. And what I think will be interesting is to compare those type of items, the stuff you can cook right in the bag, with the other things I got from the grocery store that we can cook ourselves or whatever. Mix and match kind of thing. So for one meal we're gonna have refried beans, tortillas and cheese. Then we're gonna have, as you can see, we've got the salmon and the Idahoan potatoes. We're gonna have like a salmon chowder. This is actually Idahoan potato creamy soup, so mixed with the salmon make a nice chowder. For lunches, I like the tuna and the ramen noodles, so we'll have that a couple times. We've also got Idahoan flavored potatoes with Spam for another lunch. We've got mac and cheese. We've got homemade beef jerky, a couple different flavors. For a lot of the snacks, we're going to have granola bars, dried fruit, trail mix. Let's see, I've also got some rice and quinoa over here that we can mix with maybe some of the summer sausage. We've got Alfredo noodles and chicken for chicken Alfredo for another dinner. And finally, we're going to have Thanksgiving dinner on the trail. We've got stovetop stuffing, gravy, chicken, and cranberries. And also, for another meal, we'll have spaghetti. And then I'm going to put together some either just Bisquick mix or some Bannock mix with the pepperoni and tomato paste and cheese, and make a pizza. So we've got all kinds of different ideas for meals that we can mix and match. For breakfast, we'll have the quick oats, honey, dried fruit. We've got some cinnamon roll lar bars. We've got seasonings. I've got garlic and oregano, basil for the pizza, lemon pepper and extra lemon pepper for fish that we catch. We've got a little salt, Parmesan cheese for the spaghetti. And I've also got a little hot sauce for the burritos that I can make with the tortillas and refried beans. A little oil in case I want to fry the fish instead of grilling them. And again, quick oats, milk mixed with dried fruit for most of the breakfast, and I think I already said that kind of, but and I think that's about it. Marshmallows for dessert over the fire. And this is also kind of a test of my new GoPro to see how it shoots. Take care. He's just going about his business. He's giving us his best side now. Just kidding. Yep, more of the buck. This has been another production of Star Mountain Outdoors and Bushcraft. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.